It's the biggest political face-off of the week. And it's not BJP versus Congress. It's Congress versus Congress. Three of the party's top leaders, Rahul Gandhi, Shashi Tharoor and Rajiv Shukla, are speaking in three different voices on one explosive topic: India's economy and trade talks with the US.
No, look, I mean, it is a challenging negotiation. We are negotiating with many countries. The US is not the only negotiation. We have an ongoing negotiation with the EU. We've already concluded a deal with the UK. We will be talking to other countries also. And if the worst comes to the worst, we will have to diversify more out of the American market into other markets if we can't compete in America. We are not without options. I mean, I think we have to understand we want and value the relationship with America. But if America is completely unreasonable in their demands, we will have to go elsewhere. I mean, that is the strength of India. No, we are not a totally export-dependent economy like, say, China is. We have a good, strong domestic market also. I would like to say that we must give strong support to our negotiators to find the best deal possible. If a good deal is not possible, we may have to walk away. We'll have to see.
Shashi Tharoor's message: India's economy is strong and capable of standing its ground.
इकोनॉमी बिल्कुल खत्म है, डेड है. किस तरह से देखते हैं आप जो टैरिफ?
ट्रंप का ये कहना है कि भारत और रूस की इकोनॉमी डेड है, एकदम गलत बात है. भारत की इकोनॉमी डेड नहीं. जो हमने आर्थिक सुधार किए जब नरसिम्हा राव जी और मनमोहन सिंह जी थे, उसके बाद उस आर्थिक सुधारों को आगे वाजपेयी जी ने भी बढ़ाया, और उसके बाद मनमोहन सिंह जी ने 10 साल में जो मजबूती प्रदान की, और उसके बाद वर्तमान सरकार ने भी जिसमें काम बढ़ाया, तो हमारी आर्थिक स्थिति कहीं से भी कमजोर नहीं है. तो इसलिए हम आर्थिक रूप से कोई हमें कहे कि हमें खत्म कर देगा, उसकी गलतफहमी है. तो ट्रंप की गलतफहमी जी रहा.
सर, इम्पोज किया जो टैरिफ,
टैरिफ की तो मैंने आलोचना की कि ये गलत है. टैरिफ इम्पोज करना, हर देश को अधिकार है कि किसके साथ व्यापार करे. उसमें इस तरह रोक लगाना, ब्रिक्स के खिलाफ बोलना, रशिया से इम्पोर्ट के खिलाफ है, बिजनेस के खिलाफ बोलना, ये उनका जो है कतई उचित नहीं है.
Rajiv Shukla backed that view, calling Trump's dead economy remark a delusion and insisting India's economy remains robust.
Dead economy.
Yes, he's right. I mean, everybody knows this, except the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister. Everybody knows that the Indian economy is a dead economy. I'm glad that President Trump has stated a fact. What more do? Why are you asking this question?
लेकिन 25% टैरिफ लगाया, प्लस पेनल्टी भी लगा दी.
It is a dead economy. Are you people not aware of this? आपको ये मालूम नहीं है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी डेड इकोनॉमी है? कोई कंफ्यूजन है आप में? पूरी दुनिया जानती है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी इज अ डेड इकोनॉमी, और बीजेपी ने इकोनॉमी को खत्म कर दिया है. क्यों खत्म किया है? अदानी जी की मदद करने के लिए खत्म किया है. तो आप लोग हैरान क्यों लग रहे हो?
But Rahul Gandhi stunned even his party, agreeing with Donald Trump and declaring the Indian economy dead. Three leaders, three voices. Tharoor and Shukla paint a picture of resilience. Rahul Gandhi paints one of collapse. So what is the Congress party's real stand? Because this isn't the first time the Congress has spoken in different tones. From its stance on Article 370 to Hindutva and temple politics, even to foreign policy issues like Israel and China, the party has often sounded divided, not united. That division is now in full display, and it leaves one blunt question hanging. If Congress can't speak in one voice on India's economy, how can it hope to lead India's future? Bureau Report, Business Today Television.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.